Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sunday the 9th of April, the bank holiday weekend. Just been doing a bit of weeding, as you see here, down the edge, just to tidy up the front of the privet. I'm going to be coming inside. Today I'm going to be weeding all the way down the right hand side of the path here. And then we're going to start on here, the left hand side. So we'll get all this done. Get all these thistles out. Get my hollyhocks pruned back. Get my lilies done here. Weeds there. Cut all these back here. Always leave these during the winter, cut all those back. And come back and weed this side, get all this thinned out. So I've got some Aquilegias there, but I've also got some ground cover plants that I'm going to put in there as well. So yeah, I'll get cracking with those. All I need to do with this is my little knee pad, protect my knees, my little fork, that's all I use. So we'll get on with that now, and then I'll show you how I'm going to go about straightening the edges up on my lawn, which I do every spring this time of year. So yeah, I'll get back to you shortly. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this is what I've just done today. I know it's not a lot, but with my bad back and that, I'm quite pleased with what I've done. Just got this weeded, so got some perennial geraniums here, which are going to look great. Some lilies that are already getting attacked by lily beetle on there. These are daylilies. We've got some hollyhocks there. We come down some more daylilies. These primulas, when I've been knelt down weeding, they smell absolutely divine. See some lilies there. If you just get in there, you can see the damage. You start eating the tips of the leaves, the softest bits. The lily beetle. Come a bit further down. I actually saw 2 or 3 here in the soil. See it there? There, do you see that one there? Yeah. Close up. See them there? They're the little monsters that cause all the problems. So I'll have to spray for these. I don't like using spray, but it's either don't use spray and get all my lilies eaten, and they will do, because I've had them before. They're absolutely massacred. Or use spraying. I'll look for an organic one. So yeah, just this little bit here. Just need to get my little edge shears for the grass. Pull up all the weeds there. Some more primulas. This is a self-seeded one, which I'm absolutely over the moon with. Love it on them stems. So yeah, that's it. So I shall get this little pink. This is a white carnation, even though it's called a pink. Get that pruned back. And tomorrow and the next day, I shall get all the way to the tree done. And the day after, from the tree to the tulips there. And my final day, from the tulips right over to the end. And then it should all be looking like that. Nice, weed-free. The soil on it here has looked absolutely amazing. When I first moved in, I sieved it all, and now I just dump all the compost from my pots from last year. Top dress it as much as I can, a couple of inches. And that really does make a big difference. If you have any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse and my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please follow, subscribe and like. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you. Bye.